Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm working on my Collaging is for the Birds, hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Designs. All we have to do is use birds in some way. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, I hope everybody's doing good. I'm doing pretty good. I'm using these images from my collage soup book. It's a little bit of this and that. It's a small book, and so it's my first collage soup book, and I love the images. Don't get me wrong, I do love them, but I do get frustrated that they're cut off, and some of them are. But I did find enough to where I could use some of the birds. But there was a lot of, the heads cut off, the just a tail, like this one, the tail's cut off. But I'm gonna use them. So let's get started. They are cute as they can be. So I've already got my background page. I just used like a real deep forest green. And I got these ladies. I thought they were fun. And so I've got these birds. So I'm just going to decorate them. His tail was cut off, so I'm going to put it on the end like that. And his tail was cut off, so I'm going to put him on that side. And we have got this fella. So I think I'm just going to tuck him in there. And we can tuck that one right there. And I think this one I thought I would just kind of put on top of their hair. And that one. Alright, that looks pretty good. So that's where I'm going to start. Well, it's not a whole lot going on right now. Let's see here. Let me go ahead and attach these two so I can just get one piece and put that one head right there. Get that on there. And this one like that. Okay. And I can go ahead. It's the hardest thing is you have to choose which side. You can make copies. But I don't like copies as well as I like the original. Let's see. Okay. Now, let me go ahead and get these down to that so they won't move around. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel, Nellie and Ruth Designs. See, I should have copied that, but I didn't. The Barbie is so creative, and I love her dearly. She's funny, and she's very smart. Okay. Now let's get this thing. Never works the way you think it will. Oh well. There we go. Now I just want to just kind of outline my birds so that they will pop off from the page. I'm just using I really like this pen. It's a Sharpie S Gel. I use it for my journaling. This is my last pen, so I'm going to have to get some more. I get the 3 to a pack. But like I said, I've been using it in my journal when I'm journaling as well. And use it in my crafts, and I used it up. But I like how smooth it writes. There we go. We have really been having some hot and muggy, humid weather. We got a little bit of rain the other day, but it just made it more humid. That time of year, I guess. I'm ready for fall. I'm going to be starting my fall journals. And Ton of Botanic Vintage Designs asked me to do some fall journals with some of his kits, so I was printing yesterday. I still have some more printing to do. But I feel very honored that he asked me. I love his images. And I've got, let's see, 1, 2, I've got 4 different, very different types of kits. I have got a fun one, a very fall one, a very like a vintage ladies fall, and I'm doing a gothic. Well, 5. One it may be a lot like I'm doing a dark roses and a gothic roses, and it's just, they're beautiful. Okay, get this going. All right. Let me get these up here. I almost forgot them. It's hard to believe that fall is almost here. We're almost finished with August. The kids here are back in school. The college students are coming back to town. They start this week. So town is nuts, and I stay home. I don't do well with crowds, and you can always tell when freshmen come in. I say that because I was a freshman once. All right. I like And I've got these flowers, so I think I'm just gonna knot them around. See where I want them. Oops. Here. Maybe there. And one there. I like that. Brings a little interest to it. I'm going to have to make some of these. These were given to me in Happy Mail. And I do have a punch, but it doesn't have quite as many leaves as that one does. And I've only got the one size. Well, here we go. Here's my bird collage for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. This doesn't cost anything, and it really helps channel to grow when you comment and hit that like button. And of course, when you subscribe. It helps the algorithm to push it on out to other people. So I hope you would do that, and I hope you have a great, wonderful day. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel, Nellie and Ruth Designs, and check out the hashtag Nrbirdcollage to see what everyone else has made. So y'all take care. I love you, and until next time, bye y'all.